Hello YouTube. Hello YouTube. So today I am going to be making let me sit over here. Today I'm going to be making a wood frame. I got my stuff on the floor. It's gonna be my first time making one. It's gonna be a welcome sign. Okay, so here we are painting the wood white. I only use one coat of paint, and this paint is from Walmart. It is the acrylic matte paint. It only cost me $2.50. The reason why I only wanted to use one coat was so that it can still look like wood. I can still see all the wood grain to it, and it looks so farmhouse and so homemade and so rustic. I just love the way the one coat turned out. If you would like to do two, that's your choice, but my choice was only to do one coat, and I love it. So I'm just taking my stencil, my W, and we're just gonna trace right there. That is actually pretty neat, because it needs to be like this. So we're gonna put the L right here. We're gonna get it back centered. So I'll be right back. So what I'm about to do now is paint it. I'm gonna have to like really take my time and paint this. So when I'm done painting, I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished result. All right guys, so there we go. I love it like I said. We just came from Dollar Tree. We bought these. Nevaeh already opened it. So we bought these, and we bought some of these. And yes, we're going to put it on our Christmas tree. So my Christmas tree from last year that we had got from last year. So
Dad, can I open it?
Yeah. As you can see, I am fluffing the Christmas tree out to get it nice and full. We're gonna put the ornaments on the Christmas tree as well, and I'll show you the finished result when that is all complete. Hey guys, so as you can see, I bought DIY stickers from Dollar Tree. I also bought Velcro from Dollar Tree as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the sticker piece that's on the back of the pumpkin off, and I'm going to add the Velcro sticker on. So half of the Velcro is going onto the pumpkin, and the other half is going to the wood sign. And the reason I did Velcro was if there's any other season that we want to add to the wood, we can just take the pumpkins off and add flowers for spring or whatever Dollar Tree has as DIY stickers during that season. And it does turn out really pretty. I'll show you the end result at the end of how it all turned out. And next, as you can see here, is the finished complete Christmas tree. It turned out really cute. Only thing I wish I would have got more of is white bulbs to go on the tree. I let Nevaeh pick what she wanted on there, and she did an awesome job decorating this Christmas tree. We did not use the ribbon that you see right there for the frame. It just did not look good on it at all. And I just love the outcome of this DIY that me and her did together with this Christmas tree. It's beautiful. Well, it's her idea for the Christmas tree, but it still was beautiful. Good morning, you guys. I don't know if I ended the vlog yesterday, but here goes the welcome sign. I decided to put it right here in the corner of the door when you first walk in, because we had it outside and the wind in Fort Bliss is so terrible. It kept falling down, and the van made a little Christmas tree for Halloween. Only thing is, she just put ornaments on it that we got from the Dollar Tree and a bow at the top, which I should go back to the Dollar Tree and get a bow to put on there because they did have some pretty bows. But yeah, I'll go outside. So when you walk in the house, you'll see that right there in the corner. It says welcome. This is the closet that we put everything in. So yeah, I love it. I'm glad that I did it. It's just so beautiful. I did not think, let me move the tree. It's so beautiful. I did not think that it will come out like this. Like, I freaking love it. I'm gonna make another one for Christmas. This will just be my fall one. I love how homemade it look. Like, it looked like I bought it. It's just so beautiful. It looks like I bought it and I actually made it here in my home. So there we have it, guys. Here it goes. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.